Good day, ma'am. I am the group 20 and this is my report. My report is all about thermophilic microbial enzymes from hot springs and their role in bioprocessing. So, my table of contents are: what are thermophilic or thermophiles? Thermophiles, examples, uses and role of thermophilic microbial enzymes. Introduction. A bacterium or other microorganism that grows best at higher than normal temperatures. Thermophiles can be classified in various ways. One classification sorts these organisms according to their optimal growth temperature. So, thermophilic microbial enzymes are bacteria from hot springs. Are those that thrive within high temperatures, usually between 45 and 80 degrees Celsius, so 113 and 176 Fahrenheit, and are found in environments such as hot springs, pet bogs, and near deep sea hydrothermal vents. So when we say thermophilic microbial enzymes, makita ini naton sila sa mga high temperatures, usually between 45 and 80 degrees Celsius, kag may ara nga 113 and 176 Fahrenheit, kag mostly makita tani sila sa mga environments nga lapit sa hot springs, pit bugs, kag sa mga deep sea hydrothermal vents. So one type of hyperthermophile, Methanopyrus candleri, can even survive temperatures up to 122 degrees Celsius to 251.6 degrees Fahrenheit, which is far above the boiling point of water. Hot springs, national parks, geothermal hot springs are an ideal environment for some species of these heat-loving bacteria. So, their adaptations are thermophiles. Proteins have been adapted to connect with stronger bonds and attachment that are heat resistant. When exposed to extreme heat, the molecules stay together with no trouble at all. Thermophiles also contain special enzymes adapted for the heat. So while the two share similar adaptations to survive in these extremes, they differ in their temperature growth optimum. Hyperthermophiles can grow optimally up to their temperatures growth up to 105 degrees Celsius, whereas thermophiles are classified as growing between 50 degrees Celsius and 70 degrees Celsius. Thermophile proteins have several adaptations that give the protein the ability to retain structure and function in extremes of temperature. Some of the most prominent are increased number of large hydrophobic residues, disulfide bonds, and ionic interactions. So what is the role of thermophiles or thermophilic in bioremediation? So thermophilic bacteria are also able to reduce a wide spectrum of metals and can be used for the immobilization of toxic metals, radionuclides during bioremediation of hot wastewater, of disposal sites of radioactive waste having a temperature range favorable for thermophiles for a long period of time. So, what is the rule? So, thermophilic play a crucial role in bioprocessing by providing access to heat-stable enzymes, known as thermozymes, which can function effectively at high temperatures, making them valuable for industrial applications where extreme heat is required, including in areas like waste treatment, food processing, and molecular biology, particularly in processes like PCR or polymerase chain reaction, due to the famous example of Taq polymerase derived from a thermophile bacteria or Thermus aquaticus. So, thermophile bacteria o ang pagpamaayos sang kinaiyahan nga amo ang paggamit sang mga organisms parehas sang bakterya agod mapamaayo ang kalidad sang kinaiyahan kag maibanan ang mga malain nga butaw. Ang sa thermophile rules in bioprocessing. Thermophiles survive in extreme heat by having specialized enzymes and proteins that function optimally at high temperatures, allowing them to carry out vital cellular processes like digestion and photosynthesis. Even in scorching environments, their cell membranes are also adapted to withstand heat, often containing saturated fatty acids that maintain cell integrity at high temperatures, and their DNA is protected by a unique enzyme called reverse gyrase, which helps coil the DNA into a more heat resistant form. So ang thermophiles, importante gid ni sa bioprocessing tungod kay nagahatag sila sa mga enzyme nga makaluwas sa mga mataas nga mga temperature. So what habitat does a thermophilic live in? Thermophiles live in environments with extreme temperatures. Their optimal growth occurs between 60 and 108 degrees Celsius. Thermophiles are commonly found in hot springs and deep sea hydrothermal vents. So, amo to kagina ang mga thermophiles, makita ini natin sila sa mga high temperatures, usually between 60 and 108 degrees Celsius to 113 and 176 Fahrenheit. Mostly nga makita sa hot springs. What are thermophiles used for? Thermophiles are studied by scientists for their enzymes which are able to withstand high heat. The enzymes of Thermus aquaticus found in Yellowstone are used in polymerase chain reaction process or PCR. So, ginagamit ang thermophiles sang mga researchers tungod sa ilang mga enzymes nga makaluwas sa taas nga temperatura. Ang mga enzymes ang Thermus aquaticus nga makita sa Yellowstone ginagamit sa pagproseso sang PCR of polymerase chain reaction. So, thermophiles examples include Metanoprius candleri, the most extreme thermophile able to withstand temperatures in excess of 250 degrees Fahrenheit or 121 degrees Celsius. The Metanoperos candleri is shaped like a rod, has no outer lipid membrane or gram-positive, and is a methanogen, meaning it produce methane in oxygen deficient environments. This extreme thermophile was found in a hydrothermal vent under the ocean known as black smoker. So mostly sa dalom sang dagat ang example. So maghambal nga Metanoprius candleri ini nga pinakamataas nga thermophile nga makaluwas lamang sa temperatura nga sobra sa 250 degrees Fahrenheit to 121 degrees Celsius. Muna siya ang example sa nga ma-include sa thermophiles. So example, amo niya example ang sa picture. Example of Metanoperos candleri under the microscope kung makita. So that is all my report, ma'am. Thank you.